Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss the activity for developing employability skills. This activity is part of the textbook on employability skills for the students of grade 11. In this video, we will cover the first activity of session 2, that is on verbal communication for the unit 1 on communication skills. In activity 1, the teacher has to organize a role play on telephonic conversation. Verbal communication is sharing of information using words. It is what most people use as a method of communication. And what are the types of verbal communication? Let's see. Oral or spoken communication. It is a communication that involves talking, and it is face-to-face conversation. Talking on a phone, classroom teaching, business meeting, and public speeches are some of the examples of verbal communication. Written communication. It is a communication that involves written or typed words. This involves writing on a paper, sending SMS, sending email, and printed books. You can think of other things like newspaper, textbooks, curriculum, written documents. Now, telephonic conversation is part of a verbal communication. A telephonic conversation is an exchange of information between two persons over telephone. This is not a face-to-face conversation, but rather a person-to-person conversation where nobody sees each other, but they listen to each other and interact instantly. Now, in this activity, the teacher has to form groups of 2 students in each of those groups. After forming the group, the teacher should instruct the students to write a script for a telephonic conversation using 7 C's of communication. The teacher should give a situation or scenario to the students. The situation or scenario may include, but not limited to, the following: calling the Kisan helpline for seeking information on the diseases, the pesticides, the biofertilizers or chemical fertilizers; calling the reception executive for confirming the hotel booking; calling the automobile service station for booking the slot for vehicle servicing. Now, one student will act as a caller and the other student can act as a receiver, for example at the reception. The students will perform the role as per the scenario, and the third student will provide the feedback based on the 7 C's of communication. The teacher should also discuss with students what they have learned from this activity, that is, the learning outcomes. So enjoy organizing this activity in the classroom or in the field, and thank you very much for watching this video.